Hey guys, what's up? It's Cheryl Dunn and Cheryl Dunn here from CORE Therapy and Pilates, and we have a guest in the house. It's my little, I always want to say nephew, but he's not my nephew, he's my cousin. He's my third cousin, I believe. This is little Easy E, also known as Easton. And while he's here, hey buddy, you're checking me out. While he's here, we're going to do a little demonstration today and give some tips away on how to hold your baby. One of the biggest things that we find with new moms is they end up holding their baby on one hip. So let's show what we find is the common thing. So that's the common thing, and what happens here is we get a little bit of the shift of the pelvis. So she shifts her pelvis over here to basically create a shelf to hold the baby on. And with doing that, she ends up creating some mechanical imbalances that can lead to SI problems, lead to back problems. Now, what I would recommend is to, if you're gonna hold it on one side, is to shift frequently from side to side. But that's really not the best solution, and what should be probably a better solution is to hold the baby in front. So go ahead and switch the baby in front. Now you want to watch, don't you? So come shift a little bit so he can look at me over here. Now, easy, easy. Hey buddy. So in this position, Cheryl's able to create a more balanced pelvis, a more balanced spine. So now go ahead. And going forward becomes, I think, the most ideal.
Then you have a free hand. And
you can hold from top, or you can reach under and hold from the bottom like that and switch hands and create some different holding patterns. So that's some tips with holding the baby. Now, we're going to also, Cheryl's going to talk real briefly about the stroller. So I'll hold a little easy.
One thing I want to say before we switch to the stroller is when you hold him in front, what you don't want to do is this, like, I'm not sure you can see it.
Oh yeah.
But just
you don't want to create that bow.
You don't want to hang forward in your pelvis to make your belly now the shelf. You want to really kind of push down through your feet, keep your belly in, and support him with your arms, you know?
So by engaging the core and leaning back into the heels, it creates a better stability point. Well, let me rephrase that. By leaning back into your heels and creating some length in your spine, you have better stability in your core, and then you're going to do better at the end of the day after you've been holding that baby.
Okay.
All right, now let me hold him for a second.
Talk about the stroller. One thing that's changed a lot since my kids were little is the stroller height. In this stroller, it's nice that it is high enough that I don't have to bend over to hold it and push it. Even the slightest little bend is not going to keep you back in your heels, and it's going to keep this hanging out and just promote this real tight low back. So if you can keep the hands up and push with your spine upright, you're a little bit more stable. And then that way you're not leaning into the stroller using your weight of your body to push it. You're actually upright, and you're imagining that you have this girdle around your pelvis, and when your girdle is on, you're actually pushing the pelvis, you're pushing the stroller from the pelvis, and then that helps keep your posture during all of that.
All right, now Easy is interested in the Mardi Gras beads now, so I think we've lost him and he's not too interested in the tips anymore. So, all right, that's it for today, guys. Let's get a little close-up of this little boy. Hey, Easy, say hi to the camera. Can you say hi to the camera? Yeah, can you tell our kids are 9 and 12? We're not used to a baby anymore. So, all right, guys, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. We'll see y'all real soon. Take care.